hope you're all doing well. Today is actually my first day back to school after the break. So that's exciting. I might film a little bit of my day and how that's going. The rest of the day will mostly be packing videos. I hope you're okay with that. I hope you still like my packing videos because that's a lot of all I've been doing lately. I hope that's okay. I also hope that you enjoy. I excuse the fact that last week I did not have a video for you guys. I had it all filmed, but I just didn't have an intro and outro, and there was missing some things. So I hope you guys are okay with the fact that I took an extra week to really make sure that I like the video, I like what I'm posting. And yeah, so I hope that you guys can just enjoy the video and continue watching if you want to see more. today. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have a moment to, and stay tuned for more videos in the future. And please also let me know in the comments below what you would like to see. Right now I'm doing a lot of packing videos, but let me know if you want to see more behind the scenes, any collabs, just let me know and I'll try and get that going for you guys. I don't want to promise a weekly schedule now because I have started school again, so I don't have as much free time as I once did, but I will try my best to post weekly, and if I can't, bi-weekly. But you know, my videos will always be out at 10 a.m. Eastern time on Fridays, so look forward to that on Fridays. Bye guys, thanks for watching.